joining us at BBQ Rub Guy TV. Want to impress your friends and family at your next barbecue? You've got to try our happy ending finishing sauce. Takes less than 5 minutes to prep, 15 minutes to simmer, and you'll know exactly why for the last 10 years it's been a fan favorite with the Rub team. All right, I've got my saucepan here over medium-high heat. I'm adding 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. I've got a 1/4 cup of chopped onion and about 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of yellow mustard, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, pinch of salt, a couple dashes of Worcestershire, a few twists of cracked black pepper, and then to kick it up a notch, about 1.5 pinches of cayenne pepper. Then we blend all the ingredients, let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to finish it in the blender. So the sauce has been simmering for 15 minutes. We turned it off, we took it off the fire, let it sit for about a minute. We threw it in the blender. We're going to put it on for 10 seconds just to make it nice and smooth. There it is. Smooth, sexy, and delicious. When your guests get a taste of the happy ending finishing sauce, they'll be begging for more. Thanks so much for being a part of BBQ Rub Guy TV. Please make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and visit us at gentleman'srubs.com.